A new morning brings the start of a new day. The kitten is overjoyed, enjoying a ride in its favorite car. Kitty, let's go on an adventure and explore the world outside. A fun outing awaits us.
Mom, I'm feeling so incredibly excited and extremely happy.
Kitty, wait in the car while I go and get a cold drink for you.
Okay, Mom, I'm waiting for you in the car.
Kitty thinks that this is her toy car.
This is really nice. Let me start it. Mom, save me. This isn't like my toy car.
Doctor, please save my child.
I'm sorry, but your daughter has passed away. You have been very irresponsible.
Parents, please take care of your children and avoid giving them toys that could make them overly obsessed.